Hello, my people. You know I promised that we shall be bringing to you everything about Igbo language, including food. Today we're going to learn how to cook Ọkpa. Ụmụnne m agwa m unu na anyị ga na-ewetara anyị ihe ọbụla gbasara asụsụ na omenala Igbo. N'ụbọchị taa, anyị na-aga iwetara anyị ka esi esi nri. Nri anyị na-aga isi taa bụ ọkpa. Anyị niile maara ihe bụ ọkpa. Ọkpa na-adị ka flọ. Ọ na-adị ka flọ. Maka ndị na-amarụ ka ọkpa na-adị tupu eshibe ya. Ọkpa na-adị ka flọ. Ọkpa nwere mkpụrụ. Mgbe ọzọ m ga-egosi unu ka mkpụrụ ya na-adị. Ọkpa na-enwe mkpụrụ. Dịka beans, akwọcha ya ọ dịghị ụtọ. Now, Ọkpa is like flour. After grinding, it will be like this. These are the ingredients we need to cook Ọkpa. The main ingredient is oil, pepper, and the spice. The spice we normally use is ginger or ozuza. Today, I chose to use ginger. This is my grinded ginger for the mixture. Then warm water, pepper, oil, ginger, warm water. These are what we're going to use to cook Ọkpa because it's very simple and a very nutritious and healthy food. So I have measured 4 cups of 250 ml flour of Ọkpa. We're going to measure as we go so that you know the quantity you're going to use. 4 full cup of 250 ml of Ọkpa. That's what we have here. The next thing is to mix the Ọkpa with oil. We'll measure the oil we are going to use so that this oil. I measure 1 cup of 125 ml oil. A cup of 125 ml oil. I start with it. You have your washing hand water because you're going to mix with your hand, so you must make sure your hand is clean, very clean. So you mix Ọkpa and oil first. Mix it very well. Mix it very well. Then the 125 ml is not enough. I add another one. That is now 250 ml of oil. 250 ml of oil and mix Ọkpa. Mix. And mix it. It's not enough. I can see it's not enough. I use another 125. That's number 3. 250 plus 125. That is 375 ml of palm oil. Palm oil for 4 cups of flour, Ọkpa flour, 250 ml cup. That is 100 ml. I measure this cup as in 1000 ml. And the third one is the third oil. That's 3. So what I see, this 75 ml of oil is going to be enough for the Ọkpa, for the 250 cups. For this measurement, 375 ml of oil will be enough. So I mix it. When I see that see the color. That is. Now it's like this. I will now add warm water. The warm water, I'll be adding it gradually. Let's measure. This 250 ml of water. I add it and mix. I add and mix. So for 4 of these cups, we use 375 ml of palm oil. I've added 500 ml of water, 500 ml. I'll turn very well. Turn it very well. I'll turn it until I have a homogeneous mixture. I'll continue turning it until I have a homogeneous mixture. The third water, that is 750 ml. 750 ml. I've added the third one, 750 ml of water. From what I'm seeing, it's not going to be enough. I'll add another one. That's 1000 ml. 1000 ml of water. I can see it's not going to be enough. Ọkpa is light and we must get a very good mixture, homogeneous mixture. So another 1 cup of 1250 ml for 4 cups of flour. 4 cups of Ọkpa. Now added 1250. I'm still mixing. And this is small tiny business. Not going to be like, I'm not going to leave it like this. I'll mix it to all these tiny bulbs are off. Okay. Mix it very well. Get a very good homogeneous mixture. So from what I'm seeing, it needs another 1 cup. Add another one. For this we have 1500 cups, and now mix it for a homogeneous texture. Okay, I'm done mixing it to a homogeneous mixture. This is the mixture I'm looking for. You can see there's no seed again. So after that, I add my salt. I added 2 teaspoons of salt, and that's my taste. You can choose to add less or more depending on your taste. 2 teaspoons of salt. Then after mixing with my hand to get a homogeneous mixture, I want to add pepper. Because I don't want my pepper to hurt me, I'll wash my hands and use spoon to add pepper. This is water for washing hands. Wash my hand. After washing my hand, and I want to use spoon. I'm done using hand. I dry my hand with clean napkin. Then I add my pepper. The pepper I'm using today is fresh one, and I blended it. So we add pepper to taste. It's a fresh pepper that I've blended. I like using fresh pepper for the flavor. And now turn it, add your pepper to your taste. I've done it. my ọkpa is ready for fire. What do? I now have to I've now added ginger. Okay, I'll add my ginger. Sorry, I'll add my ginger. Add my ginger. And mix it very well. Mix my ginger very well. Then I will now package my ọkpa. By pouring inside this nylon and steam cook. You know, in our we can cook package with nylon. Can also package with leaf. Next time I'll be cooking ọkpa for you. I'll show you how to package ọkpa with leaf. You can see ọkpa is so watery, that very watery. Look at it. Very watery. So it's hard to package with leaf. But next time I'll show you how to package ọkpa with leaf. Now I take my measurements. Another 250. This is my own measurement. You know the measurement you want to have. I'll now try nuts with this thing. My oven is ready for steam cooking. Hello my people, our pie is done, ready for eating. See, yummy. You steam boil or steam cook for 30 minutes. After the water is boiled, you put your ọkpa and steam cook it for 30 minutes. And in 30 minutes, check your ọkpa. Another way to check whether the ọkpa is done is use a toothpick. Insert toothpick inside the ọkpa. When it's still on fire, if it's sticky, you know that it's not done. But when it comes out like this, it is done. So you bring it down. If you want to eat it cool, you want to eat it when it's hot. Yes. Yeah, I like eating it when it's hot. So try and subscribe to our channel. Like our videos. Next video will be teaching you how to cook ọkpa with leaf, how to wrap ọkpa with leaf. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to call on us if you want ọkpa. If you want us to supply you ọkpa, call on us on 0803 873 6152. Again, 0803 873 6152. We can ship to you if you're not in America. Any part of the world, you can do shipping. Thank you very much.